So acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, and it's a scalar quantity as it has no regard for the direction that the object or person is moving in. And the equation is as shown, which is acceleration equals change in velocity over time. A person example for acceleration is the 100-meter hurdles, where before the athlete would get to the first hurdle, they would have to accelerate from no speed to an increased speed, and their acceleration would be the rate that their velocity changes. And then for an equipment example, a Formula One car, if it was going at a constant speed and then accelerated from that constant speed, that would also be acceleration. Or if it was at the start and then it accelerated from 0 up to 100 miles an hour, it would have to accelerate in a certain time frame, say if that was 4 seconds. And then on the other side is deceleration. Deceleration is the rate of decrease in velocity, and it's the opposite of acceleration. It's also a scalar quantity as well, because it has no regard for direction. A human example would be a tennis player running for a drop shot, and as they're going at their high speed towards the net, they would then have to slow their velocity down and decrease down and decelerate to be able to stay in control and get the ball. And then for equipment, the equipment example is again an F1 car. It would, before it turns a corner, it would decelerate and its velocity would decrease over a small period of time. And then the rate at which that decrease occurs is the deceleration of the car. And the equation for deceleration is the same as acceleration. And then acceleration and deceleration can be shown in velocity time graphs. As shown here, they are a curved line going either up or plateauing to a constant speed or to stationary. As shown for the acceleration, as the distance increases, so does the time, but the acceleration would be that they're going more distance in a shorter amount of time gradually. And then the opposite of that would be deceleration, where they're going less distance in a shorter amount of time gradually. Yeah. And then this is my bibliography.